Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an international TikTok account with your phone, with your Android phone, and you are going to have access to all the monetization features of it. You don't need to send money to anybody to create an international TikTok for you. All you need is a good phone and of course your data. You don't need to beg anyone abroad to create it for you. You can create it yourself, and you don't need to pay anybody to create it for you because it's going to have all the features, all the monetization features. It's going to have it on it, so you can create it by yourself. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create it. If this is something you're interested in, stay right till the end. You're not going to be needing any VPN. Yes, you're not going to be making use of any VPN. All you need is your data, your Android phone, and a new Gmail account. A new Gmail account. A Gmail account you've not used on TikTok before. You don't need to change the location of the Gmail accounts. You just have to create a new Gmail account. The normal way we create Gmail accounts. So that's the Gmail you're going to be using. Before I teach you how to create the account, I have to tell you the rules. The rules to monetize your TikTok account before they can monetize it. The things you need to have. You need to have 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. And of course, you have to be 18 years before they can monetize your account. You have to have all the three requirements. And it's not all the country that is eligible to earn on TikTok yet. Some countries are not eligible to earn. You can earn from your Nigeria account too, but it has limited monetization features. But if you want to monetize your TikTok account fully, you need to have international TikTok accounts before they can monetize it fully. UK, Japan, Korea, Brazil, France, and Germany. Those are the countries that you can monetize your TikTok account fully. And you can create your TikTok account from any country that you are in. Like presently, I'm in Nigeria, so you can create a UK account from Nigeria. You can create a Brazil account from Nigeria. You can create any country TikTok from Nigeria, and you don't need VPN. You don't need to change your location. You don't need to change anything. Just make use of your phone to create it. Before we go into it fully, please take a minute to click on the subscription button and the notification button so that my video will get pushed to other people that needs to watch how to create it. So let's dive right in. So let me share my phone screen with you so that you get what I'm saying. There are two ways of doing this. The second method is the fastest and simplest method, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. If the first one is not working for you, try the second method. It's going to work. So let's dive right in. Let me share the screen to you. So the first thing is you go to your browser and you search for tiktok.com. After that, you go to your profile. Once you get to your profile, click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to bring you here. So you wait for it to bring out the country at the down part. See where I'm pointing to. You click on it, then you search for the country that you want to use. It's only bringing out Nigeria. You have to refresh it here. Where I'm pointing to, just click on it and refresh it. It's going to bring other countries. I'm searching for UK here. This is it. So let me click on it because I'm making a UK account. See the location I've already changed to United Kingdom. So you click on use phone or email. After that, you click on your date of birth and you click next. You have to change this country code to a UK country code. So I'm picking UK here +44. See, it has already changed. Then you click on email. Once you get to your email, click on the email that you want to use. This email that I want to use, you click on send and you input your password. Then you click on sign up after putting your password. So this is it. It's going to send a code to your Gmail. Then you put the Gmail code. You put it here. You enter the OTP that is sent to your Gmail, you enter it here. After that, you click next. So you choose a username to use. You put any username. It's going to show you red if it's not accepting it. So click on the one it's going to accept, and that's it. So we are done with the part one. Let's go to the part two. So you're going to open your TikTok app. Then you're going to click on profile. Once you get to profile, you click on add account. Once you get here, you wait for it to change to Nigeria, then you click on the part that is circled, that Nigeria part, and you change the country. So you're going to click on it and change the country to UK because you are creating a UK account. If you want to create another country, you can choose any country that you want. So we're creating it for a UK account. Let me see. Let me show you. So this is UK. You're going to click on it. You see that the location has already changed to UK. Then the next thing is you're going to click on continue with Google. In this part two, you are continuing with Google. So you choose the Gmail that you want to continue with and you wait. Then after that, you choose your birthday. Make sure you use your real birthday so that when you want to verify it won't give you problem. Use your real age that is on your ID card to create it. So let me choose the date of birth and continue. So let me choose the year. This is the year, and press continue like that. So this is it loading. This John, you're going to change it to a username that you want to be using. Your name or any name that you want to use for your TikTok account, you're going to change it. Then it's going to load. It has already signed it up. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to check if it is real, if the UK applied to the account, because after creating it sometimes you might discover that it's still on Nigeria. So we want to check if that account is already showing UK. So you click on these three dots, then you click on account. When you get to the account, you click on account information. Once you get to it, wait for it. You see the account region is already showing UK. So can you see that you don't need VPN to create your TikTok account? Don't forget to click on the notification button and the subscription button. Thank you for watching my video.